Let's do an example of dividing fractions. This is also known as flip and multiply. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip this fraction and we're just going to multiply them. Swap the division sign for a multiplication sign. So let's rewrite this. 7 over 9 times, swapping this for a multiplication sign, flip the right-hand fraction. So flip this upside down. 5 over 1. And then multiply. Okay, so 7 times 5 is 35 over 9 times 1 is 9. Now the only thing we have to do is put this into simplest form. So how many 9s fit into 35? Well, you can't get to 36 because you only got 35. Otherwise you could fit 9, 18, 27, 36. Okay, so we can't quite fit 4. So we've got 3 wholes. Now what is 9 times 3? 27. So I'm just going to take 35 minus 27 to get my leftovers. 35 minus 27, I can do that in column form, equals, borrow, 2, 15 minus 7 is 8, 2 minus 2 is 0. So 8 over 9 left over. Okay, good job.